Yeah, right here. We on Broadway and Wilson. Some car just smashed into this other car right here. It looked like it was done on purpose. The way what's going on, I don't understand it.
Get it, Bree. Get it.
Any room? Stop the press. What? Man, what is this?
Get it, Bree. Get it.
Man, what's the problem, man?
Get it, Bree. Get it.
Man, this car right here just ran into this car, and I don't understand what's going on with that. That's way too much, because we ain't going. Because ain't no way. Huh?
It's bad. The car.
So right here it smashed in. So pretty much the car was coming in this direction. I'm sorry. And came around and just bumped into the car right here.
Broadway and Wilson. Let's get it right.
We on Broadway and Wilson, man. We out here chilling. It ain't even the 4th of July yet. Motherfuckers want to celebrate now. And then they on this stupid ass shit right here.
Do it again. You just had this wreck on 1 foot long. We supposed to have a real fest tomorrow.
What the fuck,
we supposed to have a real fest tomorrow. And look,
right.
What we get when we have a real fest? And we got an accident right down the.
This ain't natural. No, this shit ain't cool. This shit ain't right.
Real fest coming tomorrow.
Retire boy, retire boy. This some bullshit. Hey, man. What's going on right here? Motherfucker just, goddamn it.
Give it back. Hey,
951-1805 Illinois land of Lincoln. I'm talking about the car just came from this direction right here and just turned over and just bumped into this car right here.
The real fest tomorrow. The real fest is tomorrow. And we got accidents going on right now. That's fucked up. Let's keep it real.
Fucked up. Man, it's early, man. It's early.
Everybody acting a fool.
Already, man.
It's 10 o'clock. We just had an accident. Come on. Get him. Get him.
Get him. Get him. Your phone just going off, ain't it?
On the road.
Hell no. Hey, we gotta get out this street, man.
Hold on. Get that right there. Behind the car.
Hold on. I ain't finna get hit by the motherfucker.
Get it right quick. Come on, G. They say love for all, hate for none. See that? Get that too. Get that what it say. Love for all, hatred for none.
Oh.
Get it.
Love for all, hatred for none. Straight smack up to the hunt.
Get the light switch. Hurry up.
I got the with 9N921910. Get that a bitch. We good. Poetiq Rose Publishing, you did productions we in here. We got Mo, we got Annie Ruth. Hey, this is our 4th of July. Our 4th of July is a day early.
We on motherfucking Broadway and Leland. Well, we live around here.
We live right around the corner from here, man.
There's too much drama going on.
And all this is going on?
We in front of wigs and hair, and we all
right here.
We trying to get it.
Come on. Hey, we just walking down the street. And,
we walking down, we heard some bullshit. You know, hey.
Hey, that's Andy Ruth.
God love all of us.
Hey, God love everybody.
Jesus loves us all.
You see what we just went through?
Hey, that bullshit. We always fuck with bullshit.
It is not gonna move.
It ain't moving.
It ain't gonna move.
Even if it's shut up, it ain't moving.
Yeah, the whole action is.
Hey, the action is broke, G. The action is broke.
That's some other shit, G.
You need choke tuck.
The action is broke. Even if it start up, the action ain't broke.
Poetiq Rose Publishing, you did productions. I'm in here. We right here on Wilson and Broadway, like they call it, yeah.
Yeah, they seem to call it tuck because he can't tell me it's broke. It's fine.
That ain't what's up, man.
You gotta pay for it. It was fun.
It's not about an accident, man.
I want my insurance to pay for mine.
What is yours?
No? The boy?
The boy, right?
Nah. Hell no.
Let's keep it real.
You better get your ass
Man,
up out
motherfucker,
here.
home, come on, what's God, man? So, boy,
Right.
fuck
Hell
the
no.
talk.
Hey, that motherfucker already knew what's
You done lost your mind. I got mine coming. When you
Right.
get through
So
talking.
right now. No one, no but the devil on that one, man.
Oh, come on. What's God, man? Now one of them. I got a voice.
Right.
Hey, I'm an American.
Hey, this car is still right there.
Look at this young Fuck you.
Nah, hey, we got his back. You better have our motherfucking back.
Stupid motherfucker. I'll knock your punk ass out. You just mad because you ain't gonna get motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? You been wishing for a star, but you ain't done it.
Are you serious? Okay, this car already off the point, yawn.
Appreciate it. Right about it. You think I'm just meant to do what you gotta do. Wig in half so I can go get me a piece of hair. When it's over with, everybody got to get paid.
Right. Hey, that's
not me, that.
Hey, I hear that. That's
I don't get no money. Well, no motherfucker no money.
Right, of course.
My motherfucking breath.
Oh, you see that?
This all right. I need like. Turn around. This is like, you lost your motherfucking man. Now, your insurance. Come with
Look at that.
No, it's too late for that. You ain't on camera no more. You run up.
Hell no. Hey,
We got
even at the 10 yet. We got 3 more motherfuckers made to clown on this.
Quit motherfucking playing. It's payday.
Hey, they already
It's payday.
Hey, motherfuckers got over it. Hey, motherfuckers they say they got over it. They got over it.
They better get over it.
They good now. You ain't got no choice. That's ain't even real. You better get your ass out there. How about get my
Mad at the boyfriend and gonna hit the motherfucking car. It's parked. The car is parked. Why you
You crazy.
Look at it. Hey, man, I don't need no money for my sister. Damn, how you do that one? You turned the wrong way? I know.
It ain't even that. Oh, that was on there. Hey, it's crazy around here, for real.
That's why I keep on home. And I'm coming to get mine.
Get that red truck right there, still parked. There's a red truck right there, posted. Been posted here before y'all got here.
I seen everything. So me and my girl come here and get some food whenever we want.
Right, because you already know all we need is just some cream and suave, you dig?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Say your imagination eats. That's what they add.
But the guy don't car on his way here, so.
How you doing?
That's a Chrysler. Damn, look how the car already parked as it is. This car already look bogus. Look at the birds and shit. The birds. So the car that got into the accident. was already parked right here. Like, whoever car this is, they was already parked to the other side of, like, the sidewalk. I'm talking about we right here. So, what we need to do is regardless of who, what, when, where, and how, who is this who got this car that's just parked halfway off the street like this? Come on, this is some ill, for real. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, why you want to say hi? No, I'm recording this car right here. They got into a car accident. So basically, the car, it looked like it was already parked halfway on the sidewalk, but it's not supposed to be parked like that. It's supposed to be parked all the way behind the curb.
Like under, like the rest of the car.
Oh, it was?
Yeah, I walked over to the car straight because I had looked at it.
Oh, okay. Well, it moved it over. I guess that's what it looked like. Well, they got their place on the front and the back.
What's the driver?
He's taking them pics. You know what time it is. We ain't finna go through all that.
You know
We ain't finna go through that shit.
Watch this money, baby.
Watch this money right now, man.
That money coming like, bro. I've been taking pictures of the dish and the license plate. We good. Broadway, put us in. My name's in the room. You do what you do. Hey. We seen the accident. We on Broadway. Come on. We right here. Poetiq right here. We right here. We got Mo. We got Andy Roo, and we got Bree. Get in! We in here! And we take care of that business, though. The real these tomorrow, and then we got to go through all this stuff. Everything go wood for them. That's all right. Tomorrow, we still gonna eat some ribs. And we gonna live life. We go on eat some ribs. Eat some motherfucking ribs. It's Saturday, motherfucker. I got the end of the tote, no. You got the end. Hey, there we go. Oh, it's Friday. Ooh. Ludacris, shout outs to him. Respect for that. Poetiq Rose Publishing. We just have to take care of some business right here, man. Some car just made a right and just hit a parked car, and it was just been real crazy, man. That's Andy Roo. This Andy Roo right here. But hey, we all gotta get paid. I ain't got, it's for my grandbaby and my family. And that's love, peace, and happiness.
That's respect. Get in, Poetiq Rose said.
It's for my grandbaby. My name is Andy Roo.
Hey, and here I come, baby. You know that.
Yeah, I go.
This the same red car that was parked right here.
Real talk, G.
Like 5 minutes ago.
Real talk.
Now we finna see where this red car finna go.
Yeah, I fucking come, bro.
His ass still going off that bottle. And that bottle make you comfortable.
He finna come for real. He ain't, man.
You know what I'm talking about.
I always feel comfortable.
Right. You ain't no motherfucker. Ain't fucking You know me and you talking about.
Everybody gonna fuck with me.
What I say is my book.
Right.
I ain't never
go that red car.
Talking about. Right. My nigga don't get no bigger. No bigger than the big one. Don't get no bigger than the
So this car smacked up.
Don't get no bigger than the Swisher.
It seems like everything cool, but the same thing is not. They've been here for a while. This ain't today, B. I just got the bottle.
Like that.
I get $1.
You got the dogs in your
Hey, you know what, G? They played us today. They played us today.
It's all good. No, ain't nobody.
But we gonna be good regardless. Right.
Gee, it's all good.
Man, don't worry about that. I still got some more 50. I got some more 50 though.
Give me a bill. Give me a bill.
Don't worry about it.
I know. Man, I ain't finna do that shit right
Give me a
here.
bill, Jay.
I got you better eat that motherfucker. Well, go get your
He's still eating on the motherfucking
still in your
Hell no.
damn pocket, man.
I got shit on.
You want a slice of pizza?
Hell yeah, what's that?
Like that, go get yours. Get us 2 good. What up?